The formula used for Step 1, Part 6C briefly introduced you to data types. Data types are important as they permit us to process data precisely. There are several major data types, including string data, numeric data, and as we will see in Step 3, date data. String data can be any combination of letters, numbers, or symbols. String data is typically used for categorical data processing, for example, grouping data by a particular category. The publicly available financial statements and notes data provided by the SEC are stored in TSV files. TSV files are similar to CSV files in that they contain string data that can be separated into columns or fields using a delimiter. TSV files use a tab as a delimiter. We don't see tabs, but computer programs do. These raw data files can be opened in Notepad, but are often too large. They contain too many rows to be processed in Excel. Since the underlying data from which the panel dataset was created is string data format, the data from the panel dataset is read in as string data. However, many of the fields contain numeric financial statement data. Numeric data is used for performing mathematical functions such as addition, multiplication, and so on. Sometimes you have to be careful because data may look to be numeric, but if we're only going to use it to categorize data, then it would be best categorized as string data. In Alteryx, we can go to the metadata field for the input data tool and see which data is defined as string or numeric data types. You learned in Step 1, Part 6C that you can convert string data to numeric data using the two-number formula in a formula tool. However, the process of converting data using formulas can be cumbersome, especially as you increase the number of fields that need data converted. In this video, you will learn how to use the Select tool to speed the process of changing data from string data to numeric. Grab a Select tool from the Preparation menu. If you don't see the Select tool, you may need to use the directional arrows to locate the additional tools. Make sure that the Select tool is connecting to the T output anchor from the filter you used in Step 1, Part 8b. We're going to change the data type for all of the financial statement data that is numeric. Click in the blank box next to the first financial statement data field. In my example, it's deferred income tax expense benefit. Use your mouse or the scroll bar to scroll down and locate the last financial statement data field. In my case, it's deferred federal, state, and local tax expense benefit. Hold down the Control and Shift key, or Command and Shift key if you're a Mac user, on your keyboard and click in the blank space next to the last financial statement data field. You have now highlighted all financial statement data fields. You see that they are now shaded in blue. You can release your hold on your keyboard. Navigate up to the Options menu. Select the option for Change Field Type of highlighted fields, and then select Double. We are using double because it is a numeric data type that allows the decimal places to float. This will accommodate our numeric data that is reported in dollars. Let's annotate the tool and then save and run our workflow. This time, when you click on the output anchor, you have to navigate to the metadata view to see the data transformation that we completed. Great job! You've now completed the basic data cleansing required in Step 1 of this case. The next video will show you how to organize your workflow and add additional documentation using a tool container.